Good day traders, David here from Daily Forecasts. It is the 14th of December and today we're going to do the forecast for Brent, for crude, for Bitcoin and for Euro. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification. We do the forecast every single morning for the day ahead, and we'll be offering the full course after the festive season on this same channel. Let's get straight into it. Brent oil on the daily chart. We are currently in a bearish AB swing. You can see yesterday we had the candle close, and you can see that candle closed bullish as well. So now we've got two candles to the right next to this low candle here. So I can do some housekeeping here. We can take out this question mark. Take out this question mark, because now we've actually got a B low on the daily chart. There's our A high, and you can see that prices in the region of the 382. We've got a past level of support here that could become resistance. We've got another one there as well, but we're still making lower highs and lower lows on the daily chart. 4-hour chart, same swing as the daily chart. There's that level of past support. A high, B low. We're at the 382. We're hoping that price will push up to the 618 or the 786 and then give us something bearish. So let's see if we do have price rallying up to those levels over time, where we'll be looking for shorts. We're still in a bearish AB swing on this time frame as well. Brent oil, 1-hour chart. Let's just back up here quickly. The 1-hour chart, where we actually trade, is looking a bit different. We've had a reversal on this 1-hour time frame already. We said there's our new A low, and we're looking for a B high. Okay, you can see yesterday that price did rally up. We were hoping that we would actually pull back a bit more, but you can see that price did rally up as such. But if we're going to label this chart, let me make it a bit bigger. If we're going to label this chart here, you will see that we've actually got a new AB swing. There's the A low. There's the A low. Remember, this was the B failure. Up until here we were making lower highs and lower lows. With the B failure trade down here, we said price is going to be taking out the A high, and you can see it's moved up quite aggressively. And if we draw fibs from this A low to this B high here, you can see we got a less than a 382 bounce here as well. So we've actually got further housekeeping to do right now. Let's label this. This becomes our new A low. Okay, and we've actually got a B high as well over here. You can see that we've got a B high at the same time as well. So there's the B high. And now if you pull our fibs from the A low to the B high, you'll see that also we're at the 382 bounce there. So for today on this time frame, let's see if price does pull back deeper to the 618 or the 786, at which point we'll be looking for a bullish candlestick formation on the lower time frame for a long entry. If to the 786, what we can find is, I can just draw a fib here quickly, find out where the BF786 is. We're not at the BF786, that's around 8100. So price can even rally up to 8100, find resistance, or any time while any price inside this B high, and then pull down to the 618 or the 786. Only at that point do we move down to the 5-minute time frame. Crude oil 4-hour chart. Crude oil 4-hour chart, we're still in this AB swing here. For some reason, some of my labels on my charts have gone. So let me just relabel this. So this here, you can see this is still our A high. And you can see the year, we just came shy of the 5-0. Okay, we like price up at the 618 and up at the 786. Let's see if we do get a bit of a pullback up to any one of those levels, where we'll be looking for short entries. A 4-hour chart is more for the swing trading guys that stay in it for a long while. The 1-hour chart, let me back this up a little. Okay, the 1-hour chart, we've also got housekeeping to do from yesterday. Same like on Brent oil, we had our last A high and B low. We had B failure, and we said because we have B failure, price is going to take out that A high. Yesterday we said we have to wait for a decent swing high to form, a decent B swing high to form. And you can see that we actually got that yesterday. So we can actually call that a B now. and then we can draw fibs up to the B high. That was again yesterday, and you can see also we never even had a 3-2 bounce, so we've got a bit of housekeeping to do here as well. Can move this to the side, and this now becomes our new A low, and up here we've actually also got a B high already. Okay, so if we draw fibs from the A low to the B high, you will see here that we came shy of the 5-0. Again, we prefer price lower down at the 618 or at the 786 where we look for buy opportunities. We're not quite there yet. We're not anywhere near there, I should say. We could find price rallying up a little and then giving us a bearish candlestick formation of falling down. Remember, we are in an uptrend. We do prefer price to pull back to these levels before we look for actual entry points. And we are in an uptrend, but we would prefer price to come down to these levels where we would be looking for buy opportunities, and then we'll step down to the 1 minute to the 5 minute chart, and at the 5 minute chart we'll then look for bullish candlestick formations and a test thereof before we go long. Remember guys, we've reached our targets on Monday, so even if we don't get another trading opportunity for this week, we are absolutely fine. Crude, after crude, let's look at euro. Very tight here. So this will be our new A low, and again, being the daily chart, we have to wait for a B high to form, because we've literally just got the actual candle that broke the B high yesterday. So there's nothing else to do on this chart. We can't even draw fibs on that. The 4-hour chart, there's our A and our B high. We can move the fib away. You can see we had a 3-2 bounce there. You can see price came into the 3-2. We were saying that there was a nice bearish candlestick formation hinting that we're going to move down to around 400, 410, and then after that we got another bearish candlestick formation, and yesterday we were saying let's see if we get a test of that followed by another fall. You can see there was a bit of glimmer of a bearish candlestick formation that B high. So we have to relabel this chart now, in that this here becomes our new A support low. Okay, that's a new A support low over there, and then we've actually also got a B high in place in candles to the right already, so we can actually put our B high there as well, because it is a B high. So now we can actually draw fibs from this A low to this B high, and we can see that we are looking for, make this just a bit bigger, you can see that we're looking for price once again to pull down into the 618 or the 786 area, where we'll be looking for long entry opportunities. Okay, the 1 hour chart, let's look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is a bit clearer in terms of what happened yesterday. Our most recent AB swing, A low, B high, we had a deep 86 bounce, we were saying yesterday, and because we had failure up here and a test of failure up here, we were looking for price to fall and take out this A support low at 427. And yesterday we were also saying a test of this would, and a bearish candlestick formation would most likely lead us to believe that we're going to fall and take out the A low. You can see price gave us a strong bullish candle all the way up, taking out the B high. So we got some housekeeping to do on this chart as well. So this here is our new A low. That was the deep 86 dip that we spoke about. That's our new A low, and we've actually got a B high in place on this time frame as well. You can see that this here is the B high, because we've got more than 2 candles to the right. So if you pull our fibs here as well, it's largely the same swing like we had on the other time frame, and I'll blow this up a little. You'll see that this is our current area that we're looking at. So there's our A low, there's our B high. We're again looking for price to fall down to the 530 area or the 491 area. That will give us the 618 and the 786. Only when price does that do we step down to the 5 minute charts. Okay, so nothing on euro today. Bitcoin, let's see what happened to Bitcoin. Let's must zoom in. I must backtrack a little here just to give you some context. There's our most recent A high, our most recent B low. 5.0, just shy of the 5.0, I should say, midway between the 3.2 and the 5.0 bounce. B failure area down here, you can see price came down, tested the B low, pulled back up, gave us a test of that swing, you can see there as well. And then our most recent price activity was here. Let me blow this piece up here, where we said that price could test these lows, and you can see price came down to actually test these lows. There's past areas of resistance, and there's a nice fib area here as well. Then we also said the mere fact that we fell in here doesn't bode well. We need price to stay above 16,490, the 618 area, in order to actually carry on being a bit bullish and opening up the upside. We also said we need to break 17,400 in order to open the upside. And you can see price rallied up yesterday, and let's see if we do in fact reach our 18,500. That's our target over coming sessions. It took us a long while to get down there from this area when we identified that we'll be heading for 18,500 over coming sessions. So that's our outlook still. Nothing has changed on the outlook for Bitcoin. What we have been saying for a while is if price does fall from current levels, then this still remains the A, because this high, if I put a line in there, this high is still higher than that high there. You see, if this peaks through there and falls down, then this will be our new A. But for now, this resistance area is higher than the high of yesterday. So that's our story there, guys. Like I said, subscribe to the channel. We do forecasts and analysis every single day, which we then post online for the day ahead. And we'll be offering a full course on the channel probably end of Jan, around there, free of charge on the channel. So subscribe, give us a like, and if there's any other pairs that you want us to actually go through, let us know. Okay, sorry about the late video today. We've got a bit of power issues on our side down in South Africa. Thanks again, guys. Enjoy your day. Chat soon. Bye bye.